Fixez.com. Today we'll be replacing the rear camera in a Samsung Galaxy S6. The tools needed to complete this repair are plastic triangle opening tool, a small Phillips screwdriver, plastic opening tools, nylon spudger, a SIM card ejection tool, a pair of fine tip curved tweezers, an Sesamo, and a multi-purpose heat gun. Begin disassembly by shutting down the device and ejecting the SIM tray using a SIM card ejection tool. Use a heat gun or a blow dryer to heat around the edges of the back cover to soften the adhesive beneath. Insert an Sesamo into the seam between the midframe and the back cover and pry the back cover free. To separate the two halves of the midframe, we will remove the 13 small Phillips screws from around the device. We'll heat the top and the bottom of the LCD. We'll then insert an Sesamo into the seam between the LCD assembly and the midframe. Once we've developed a small gap, we can switch to a plastic opening tool to pry the two halves apart. Use a nylon spudger to disconnect the battery from the motherboard, and pry the battery from the adhesive holding it to the back of the LCD. Use a nylon spudger to disconnect the ear speaker, disconnect the LCD, we'll disconnect the home button, and then both interconnect cables. Lift the motherboard from the back of the LCD, and we'll disconnect the dock port assembly from the bottom of the motherboard. We'll disconnect the rear-facing camera, and then using the nylon spudger, we'll pry the rear-facing camera from the adhesive holding it in place. We'll take the motherboard and feed the rear-facing camera through the hole and reconnect it. We'll reconnect the dock port assembly. Reconnect the LCD and the ear speaker. Reconnect the home button and both interconnect cables. Readhere the battery to the back of the LCD, and reconnect the battery to the motherboard. We'll insert the bottom half of the LCD assembly with the charging port connection into the midframe first. Then we'll press the LCD assembly into the midframe, and we'll replace all 13 small Phillips screws. Here we've laid new adhesive around the edges of the midframe. Remove the backing strips from the new adhesive, and readhere the back cover to the midframe. And finally, reinsert the SIM tray. And there you have it, another successful repair by Fixez.com. All of the parts and tools used today are available at Fixez.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.